The psychology of money. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the most important topics in our lives, money. Money can be a blessing or a curse, depending on how you use it. In this video, I'm going to share some tips and insights on how to manage your money effectively and make the most of what you have. Part 1, The Psychology of Money. Before we get into the practical tips, it's important to understand the psychology of money. Money can be an emotional topic, and our relationship with money is often shaped by our past experiences and upbringing. Scarcity mindset. This is the belief that there is never enough money to go around, which can lead to a fear of spending and a reluctance to invest. To shift to a more positive mindset, focus on abundance rather than scarcity. Instead of worrying about what you don't have, focus on what you do have and be grateful for it. Fear of failure. Many people are afraid to take risks with their money, whether it's investing in the stock market or starting a business. To shift to a more productive mindset, recognize that failure is a natural part of the learning process. Instead of being afraid of failure, focus on learning from your mistakes and using them to make better decisions in the future. Keeping up with the Joneses. This is the belief that you need to keep up with your friends and neighbors in terms of material possessions and lifestyle. To shift to a more positive mindset, focus on what's important to you and your values rather than comparing yourself to others. Set your own goals and priorities and work towards them, rather than trying to keep up with others. Instant gratification. Many people have a tendency to spend money impulsively, without thinking about the long-term consequences. To shift to a more productive mindset, focus on delayed gratification. Think about your long-term goals and how your spending habits can help or hinder your progress towards those goals. Money as a measure of self-worth. Some people tie their self-worth to their financial status or material possessions. To shift to a more positive mindset, recognize that your value as a person is not determined by your bank account or your possessions. Focus on your relationships, your values, and your personal growth rather than on external measures of success. Part 2, Budgeting and Saving. The first step to managing your money effectively is to create a budget. A budget helps you track your income and expenses and gives you a clear picture of your financial situation. To create an accurate budget, you need to know exactly how much you're spending. Keep track of all your expenses, including small purchases like coffee and snacks, for at least a month. Use an app like Mint or Personal Capital to automatically track your spending and categorize your expenses. Part 3, Investing and Building Wealth. Once you have a budget in place and are saving money, it's important to think about how to invest your money to build wealth over time. Before investing, it's important to understand your financial goals. Are you investing for short-term or long-term goals? Are you looking for income or growth? Your goals will help you determine the right investment vehicles and strategies for your needs. Part 4, Making More Money. While budgeting, saving, and investing are important, another way to improve your financial situation is to increase your income. Here are some ideas for side hustles and ways to make extra money. 1. Freelance work. Freelancing can be a great way to make extra money on the side. Consider your skills and expertise, and look for freelance opportunities in your field. 2. Online selling. Selling items online can be a good way to make extra money. Consider selling items you no longer need, or look for items to buy and resell for a profit. 3. Pet sitting or dog walking. If you love animals, consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services in your area. 4. Ridesharing. Ridesharing services like Uber and Lyft can be a good way to make extra money in your spare time, especially if you enjoy driving. 5. Renting out a room. If you have a spare room in your home, consider renting it out on Airbnb or another short-term rental platform. Money can be a source of stress and anxiety, But with the right mindset and tools, you can take control of your finances and create a brighter financial future. Remember, it's never too late to start taking steps towards financial stability and success. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.